Fundustan is a popular place in Ramoji Film City dedicated to kids to have fun and activities at Fundustan. Experience the joy of childhood innocence in Fundustan, Ramoji Film City's Kids Park. Get ready for the biggest, brightest and the most enthralling celebration of the year. The fun begins here at Ramoji Film City, Ramoji Holiday Carnival 2022 from April 21st to June 5th. Laced with entertainment and enjoyment, Ramoji Film City promises you a fun-filled experience with friends and family. There are a lot of activities for children at Fundustan. Friends, if you have not seen my earlier video about Ramoji Film City, please click on the above link to watch my complete video about Ramoji Film City. Jeeley Arc at Fundustan is a must-visit wonder zone for the little techies out there. This video game parlor is designed like a huge arc and houses an exciting array of video games and gadgets to amuse the little ones. Dadaji's live TV show is the most popular and fun show in Ramoji Film City, happening at Dome Theatre.
हम लोग एंजॉय करेंगे। दादाजी, I want very good. Start your show. Pass it.
Dadajin loves to dance in different styles, entertaining the children, and he also fights with the villain Borasura Black and Borasura Blue, which is a complete fun treat to the kids visiting Ramoji Film City.
1, 2, 3, pull. Lines up. Hi, Dadajin.
Also explore Wonderville Toyland. Wonderville, the Toyland at Fundustan, welcome kids to have their share of adventures and excitement surrounded by interesting structures, colorful toys and other amusing things. This place has a tall shoe house, huge mushroom house, giant pictures, large pumpkins, oversized teapots, tree houses, and a host of other such attractions for kids to explore. Borasura is the most mysterious and thrilling activity in the Fundustan. This is the first walkthrough of the maze filled with scary activities in the entire Asia's amusement places. Many mysterious things and scary activities are involved during walk through the maze. you think about the Ramoji Film City, the first thing that probably comes to your mind is a world of movie, magic, fun, and entertainment. And why not? After all, it is the largest studio complex in the world with an impressive range of recreation and entertainment options. All that is true, but don't assume that the film city is all about make believe wonders, shooting sets, and studio tours. It is also home to several fascinating natural attractions as well. And Wings, the exotic bird park at Ramoji Film City, is among them. If you're planning a trip to this film city, make sure to keep some time aside to visit this colorful world of avifauna. This bird park is a home to a wide range of birds belonging to various race species and from different countries and continents. What adds to the beauty of this place is the natural landscape featuring ingrown flora, native plants, slices of rocks and cascading waterfalls in the background. Here you can see variety of birds. Ramoji Film City Bird Park is maintained in an eco-friendly way to support the environment and to raise the birds close to nature. From graceful pelicans to huge ostriches, you can find them all here in different colors and sizes. Among the colorful species housed within the park are the macaws, toucans, pheasants, parrots, lorikeets, and parakeets, to name just a few. To make navigation easier, the bird park is divided into several sections, including the free zone, a special zone that houses only ostriches, and an area for caged birds. Visit Wings Ramoji Film City Bird Park and feel one with nature and its beautiful creations. The video games and thrilling rides from Fundustan to Bird Park, Summer Carnival is more special to set up the unexplored fun and magic for kids. So for what you are waiting for, book your tickets at Ramoji Film City and enjoy Summer Carnival Festival. This is my video about Fundustan and Wings Bird Park. If you like my video, comment on it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Friends, don't forget to watch my next video about an ancient Hindu old temple, Kandoba Temple, Jejuri.